Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to draw walls in very fast and easy way. As I mentioned before, we can insert or link our AutoCAD or PDF file, but for this project I will start from the beginning here. Click on wall, select your wall type. We had made these wall types in the previous video. I will start with the 15 centimeters wall. I found that the easiest way to draw in Revit is to draw any parallel walls. Use the DI tool for dimensions, select the inner side and click on the wall you want to move and change the dimension. Click on any wall and use the CS create similar, TR for trim, create similar, TR, DI, any wall and change the dimension. Then draw the next room, CS, any parallel walls, DI, inner side by pressing the tab key, fix the dimension, CS, TR, DI, and change the dimension. I had drawn a part of our project plan to make this video as short as I can, but I used a 15 centimeters interior wall. We have to change the exterior walls to a 20 centimeters. To do this, just select any interior wall and from this list you can select the 20 centimeters exterior wall. Now it's 20 centimeters. You can go to modify, use this tool, match MA, select your wall, then select the exterior walls. We'll fix this wall later. I will make the core walls too. And the stairs wall. TR to trim and joint, CS to create similar, AL to align, and it's fixed. Same CS, AL. To draw these 40 centimeters height walls for balconies, you can see it in 3D. Just select the 15 centimeters wall, WA for walls, 15 centimeters, and select unconnected. The unconnected height is 0.4 meters. Okay, and draw your wall. Then select it and CS to draw similar. Okay, now we can mirror these walls, but I want to delete select all your walls, press Ctrl to add these walls too. You will have an overlap here. Press Shift to unselect, click to select from a line. Okay, select this wall and delete it. Now we have draw the rooms for the first floor or the ground floor, and that's it for this video.